Hi everyone, and welcome to Mr. Winkley's Science Physics in the Garden episode 1. So I'm going to look at density and calculating density of various different objects. So what I'm going to be using is the following. A bucket, this rabbit ornament, a house brick, some water in a big box, a jug, and a tape measure. So the first thing I need to do is make sure there's as much water as possible in the bucket. So I'm going to fill the bucket up as full as it'll get. Next, I'm just going to let a little bit of water come out so I know it's absolutely full. So I can get rid of the rest of that water. I'm going to carefully, try not to spill any, put the bucket in the box. Okay, now the idea for this experiment comes from Archimedes, who you might have heard of, who discovered that if you put something in some water, then the amount of water that it displaces is equal to the volume of the object. So to find the density of an irregular object, we can use this principle. But first, we need our final piece of equipment, which is some bathroom scales, so we can record the mass of our object, which in this case is the bunny ornament. So what I need to do is pop the bunny in the water and then measure how much water, the volume of water, has been displaced. So carefully lower it in. You can see the water flowing out. It's all submerged. We'll just wait until all that water that's going to come out has come out. And then I'll very carefully remove the bucket and tip the water into a measuring jug to find out the volume of water. Now, as you can see, the water's lovely and clean. Might use this to make a cup of tea with later. If I just pour that in. Now, I'm going to have to stop because you can see I'm almost full. So I might have to do it twice. Up to the line there is 1 litre. So I'll just keep filling until we're up to that 1 litre line, and then I'll start again. So that's 1 litre. Just pour that away. And then I'll pour some more in. Now, I don't know if you can read off there, but that is 300. I'm going to say 360 millilitres. Difficult to be much more precise than that. Now for the brick it's a little bit more straightforward because we don't have to worry about measuring it using the water and the Archimedes principle, because we can just measure it. It's a regular shape and we know how to work out the volume of a regular shape that's a cuboid. So I can measure with the measuring tape. You can see it's from 0, it doesn't actually start counting up to 22, but that's okay. We can see that's 23.5 centimetres, and then measuring across the top is 6 centimetres, and then across the front is 11 centimetres. So we can use all those to calculate its volume.